Aí tu. Gosto. Hello everyone, welcome again at another video with me, Raz, and he's a student of class 4 at Kent Public School and College, Mymensingh, and he's really a super one. So everybody pray for him, pray for Raz. So see you in next video, and today we are at a program. So at break. Thank you.
Video